well, this is it. This is how we've managed to pack everything. 3 big luggages and 2 little ones, 2 carry-ons. Yep. We have our clothes over there that we're going to be using tomorrow. I'm going to fix this whole apartment because it's a mess, but I feel like we got everything in. Our cosmetic things for last because we're going to use it now. We're going to take a shower. It's currently 1:30 in the morning and our flight leaves at 6, so we have to be at the airport by 4. And the airport is like 45 minutes away, so we need to be leaving the apartment by 3:15 or 3, just, you know, just in case. So we have an hour and a half left. We're gonna shower, we're gonna organize, make sure we leave everything fixed when we leave, so that when we come back, everything is good to go. These are the little things that we're gonna take with us. This is a little purse that I thought this was gonna be bigger, but it's not. But it's cute though, and everything that I do want to take is, you know, fits fine. You know, my passport, some money, headphones. I'll take my little mirror with me. Oh, I have some hand sanitizer in there. I put some wipes in here in the camera bag. I'm also taking my camera bag with me. Michael's bag. And yeah, oh, I'm taking my laptop with me, but this one's coming on the carry-on. So that's gonna be the last item on the carry-on, and that's it. So hopefully I don't miss anything. Oh, my mask. I need to make sure. I think I have my masks over there. I need to make sure that all of the masks are also taken because, you know, the airport is not allowing people without masks on the plane. So yeah, we'll see y'all later. Okay, I just wanted to say really quickly before I continue, this travel vlog, I'm gonna try and do it in Spanish because I want to do something different. I want to reach a different type of audience. So I am going to be doing my travel vlog in Spanish and in English. Obviously, I am bilingual. I'm not gonna be able to resist myself because Spanglish, you know what I mean? Just FYI, we're all packed and we're just waiting for my mom. It's 3 a.m. right now, so we want to be at the airport by 4. It's 3:07, so we should be fine because the airport is like about 45 minutes away. And around this time, we know we're not gonna find any traffic. So sorry to my English speaking people. I swear it's gonna be a really, really entertaining vlog. So just stay tuned. Hola mi gente. Bueno, ya estamos listos. Tenemos toda la maleta empacada. Como le dije anteriormente, voy a tratar de hablar español en este vlog para, qué sé yo, llegarle a otra audiencia, mi gente hispana. Bueno, ya estamos listos, estamos esperando a mi mamá. Por favor, quédense en sintonía porque este vlog viene duro.
Angelique.